Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light, once so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Hi, I'm Brian Lays. I'm the wrestling coach for Baker Middle School. The season went really well. I think we won every duel. A lot of kids showed me a lot of good things. I think this is like the best middle school team I think I've ever seen. You know, a lot of kids proved me wrong, and a lot of kids kept showing up and got better, and a lot of kids listened really well. And they go out there and dominate. They love to wrestle, and that's the best part of it.
It was a great season, guys. Thank you guys all for all. We had a lot of people come to wrestle, and we were actually very surprised with the season we had. We tore up every Troy school, and we got a lot of kids just wanting to wrestle. If you guys are thinking about wrestling, come wrestle. Come next year. Come see us. Yeah, just overall great season. Our wrestlers did amazing. Everybody had a great season.
Drake Sharp, Hassan Murray,
Sophia McCaffrin,
Sarah Fentite,
Brianna DL,
Trevor Cahoon, Demetrius Wright.
My name is Aiden Hariga,
Colton Mascanis,
Luca Nadeski,
Jordan Goka.
Emmett Cole.
Hi, my name is Grayson Suka.
Hi, I'm Logan Pate,
Asa Konwinski,
Noah Beams, Jonah Lapato, Logan Hacker,
Jayan Hussein,
Victor Hayu. I'm Caden J. Pidletsky.
Alex Yono.
Hi, my name is Basar Kadil.
Hey 7 Squad, it's me, Coach G. So much to say about our season. My decision to coach volleyball came super late in the season, and it turned out to be one of the best decisions I've ever made. I've had so much fun being your coach this season. We have made so much growth and progress together, myself as your coach and us as a team. You've made me proud every single day. We've had so much fun. The laughs and memories will last a lifetime. I'm so excited to see where you guys go as volleyball players. As I said all the time, it's never over until you quit. So don't quit. Keep getting better. Keep growing as volleyball players. Get ready for next season. You're going to have a wonderful experience in 8th grade, and I just can't say enough about how amazing you all are as people, as athletes, as students, as players. It's been a great experience, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. Great job.
Emery Colizano, number 14.
Lily Stiefel, 26.
Taylor McCarowitz, number 24.
Vanessa Ramirez, number 41.
Briella Hubbard, number 15.
Aditya Shtadak, number 28.
Malak Tobia, number 22.
Sofia Michanovic, number 29.
Ella Odgers, number 11.
Ayana Paragas, number 6.
Alina Mad, number 20. Anvita Pillay, number 10.
I'm Amal Surti, number 36.
Anika Narasetti, number 40.
Manor Koski, number 13.
Tuhalia Budita, number 43.
Hello, my name is Maddie Sensen. I'm number 19.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie McIntyre, and I'm number 5.
Hi, I'm Coach Latore. I'm 8th grade volleyball coach, and this season has been so fun. Like the funnest thing I think I've done here at Baker so far. The players showed so much growth, made so many improvements throughout the season, achieved so many individual goals, getting overhand serves and setting everything up, people setting for the first time in our last game against Larson, and just really showing that they wanted to be better and they wanted to be coachable, and they were following Baker tough from beginning to end, whether it was being team first or having outstanding character on and off the court. They realized that they just can't give up because there's 4 sets in every game and they just have to keep going. Every practice we got better every day, and they really helped me see how much heart they have and how much heart it takes to get through the season that we did. So I'm so proud of them.
My name is Anisha Narasetti. I'm number 38, and I'm one of our team captains.
My name is Sarah Grunstedt. I'm number 31, and I'm also team captain.
My name is Kira McComb, and I'm number 8.
Hi, I'm Isabella Irani, and I'm number 12.
My name is Faith Frederick. I'm number 17.
My name is Isabella Quinones, and I'm number 30.
Alma Ahmad, number 16.
I'm Navika Singh Amredi, and I'm number 33.
I'm Jenny May, and I'm number 32.
My name is Lorda Foss, and I'm number 35.
My name is Audrey Nelson, and I'm number 27.
My name is Samika Singh Amredi, and I'm number 34.
My name is Vishnavi Narayan, and I'm number 42.
is Victoria Brunel, and I'm number 39.
Sophia Sampson, number 21.
Brooke Malone, number 25.
Baker Track and Field starts after spring break. Calling all 7th and 8th grade trackletes. Spring is here, and that can only mean one thing. Track season. Track is a non-cut sport with many different events to try, including sprints, long distance, hurdles, shot put, long jump and high jump. So sign up on Final Forms today. If you have not played other sports yet this year, you'll need a physical to participate. Our season begins with a team meeting on Tuesday, April 5th from 3:15 to 4:30, and our first practice will be on Wednesday, April 6th at the same time. Coach Karetas, Coach Ahmed, Coach G, and Coach McConaughey couldn't be more excited to have you. Go Bobcats!
Sixth graders, I am track for boys and girls will be starting after spring break.
More info coming soon.
Is that good?
That was perfect.
Yeah!
Hi, Baker Bobcats. Mr. Fonstock here, and I am here to tell you all about the amazing Baker Middle School Disc Golf Club and the awesome first ever Winter Indoor Putting League that we held this year. I want to say congratulations to all the Baker Bobcats who participated. There were about 35 students, and we had an awesome time. You know, this was the first year we've done this, so it was something new. We had to be a little open-minded and a little bit of a risk taker to take this on, but we did, and I think everybody had a really good time. In fact, we had two goals in mind. One was to learn how to be a better putter, and two was to have fun. And I know that most people succeeded in both. For our indoor putting league, we agreed that we were going to be A-OK. And we figured out a couple different ways to do that. Accountable, people stood in line correctly, they followed directions, they didn't go to get their discs until they were supposed to, nobody got hurt, we didn't have any incidences. That was awesome. Open-minded, students were open to trying new things. They were open to throwing in different ways that they'd never thrown before. And most importantly, they were open to experiencing disc golf with new people and being groups with people that maybe they didn't know before. And that was great. I know a few students made some new friends from the experience. And then finally, kindness. One of the main things that we teach in Disc Golf Club is that we root for each other and never against. My favorite part of Disc Golf Club is when we were cheering for each other. We did something at the end of each session called the Mega Toss, where everybody got a chance to throw from a far distance, and if they hit the basket, they would at least get a piece of candy, and if they made it, they would win a brand new disc. Unfortunately, no one made the disc, but we had lots of cheering, lots of fun, and it was a really good time. We also did something called Jumbo Toss, where everyone gets to throw at the same time. Whoever makes it gets some candy. Lots of excitement and joy from doing that. In fact, in the video you'll see, I think you see a Jumbo Toss at the end. So anyway, lots of good stuff. I'm very proud of all of our disc golfers, proud of all the students who tried something new, and that really, it was the kids being A-OK that made it such a success. So you're gonna see a video here in just a few minutes of some highlights of some of the awesome moments from the Baker Middle School Disc Golf Club Winter Indoor Putting Session. And Before I send you off to that, I do want to let you guys know that we have one more session for disc golf this year. I am very happy and proud and excited to announce that this spring we will have intramural disc golf. That is for all grades, and sign-ups will be coming out for that after spring break. It will be a 4-week session starting in the last week of April through the first 3 weeks of May. It will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we will wrap that session up with the first ever Baker Middle School Intramural Disc Golf Showdown at Raintree Park. Yes, we will be playing a real tournament with 2 rounds and a break in between. The full deal like they do in the real sport of disc golf. So students who participate this spring will get the feel of what a real disc golf tournament feels like at the end. So it's going to be awesome. You'll see information coming out about that soon. Remember, if that's something that you think you might like to do, make sure you are able to be A-OK when you do that, and you are welcome. We are going to have lots of fun, and it's going to be awesome. You do not need experience to join IM Disc Golf. Those of you that do have experience, that will be awesome as well, and we'll help teach those that don't. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, that is about it for me. Once again, thank you all of our disc golfers that participated this winter. You guys did a great job, lots of fun, and here you go. Here are some highlights.
I'm Jenny May, and I'm number 32.
Wait, actually, can you guys go, bro? I swear I can't.
Ayana Paragas, number 11. Or no, that was my best. No, it was number 6. I just stuttered.
My name is Vishnavi Narayan, and I'm number. Oh, sorry, I forgot that number.
Start over.